Hey guys, so I wanted to show y'all this real quick. I've been working all morning. Y'all, I even drilled into my finger. Look how pretty this is. So listen, okay? I am not good at making journals. So I will link somebody in my description box that I think will be very helpful to you guys. This was going to be a journal cover. Let me show you. So I actually posted in my shorts. So back here we have the mesh ribbon from Dollar Tree, which is this. It's usually white. I inked it, used Sharpie on it. Then we have the metal Dollar Tree ribbon up here, which has got these really pretty leaves. As you can see, I added a little Sharpie to that. I drilled holes in between those pieces and added twine to really hold that metal ribbon in place and to give it some character. We got some ribbon coming out of the side for a little bit more texture. This stuff right here came from Temu. Flowers were given to me. The berry here with the babies. That was a coloring page. And these little pieces came in Happy Mail. I'm sorry, my focus keeps going out. We got a dragonfly here. We got one there. One down there. We got Brad's. It says Dream. But I just wanted to show you guys. I'm so proud of how this turned out. I wish that I could teach all this. I want to keep practicing. So just bear with me. Journaling is not my strong suit. I'm not even going to pretend this is. But what this is going to be is a planner for my room. I'm going to add flowers in here. Because, like I said, my room is going to be fairy decor. So, I wanted a special little piece all on my own. I was going to do a journal and have it sitting on my shelf. But I think a planter would be so unique. Let me flip this around. See, that's what the back looks like. This was made with chipboard and paper. And that's it. And then obviously, you know, my extra pieces here. But this was a lot of fun. I hope it at least inspires you, even though I can't really teach you this yet. Because I want to be able to explain myself well. You guys know I usually stumble over my words. I'm just not ready for that yet. Bear with me when I'm ready. We'll be having some fun with stuff like this if you guys are interested. But like I said, I will link her channel in my description box. She's really good at making journals, and you can learn very easily from her. But I hope you guys love this, and I hope it inspires you in some way. Let me know in comments what you think. If you don't mind, at least giving this video a big thumbs up. I would appreciate that so much. Like I said, bear with me. I'm still learning just like you, okay? Y'all have a good day. Bye.